1. Which of the following is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. Answer B. Ganga. 2. The river Brahmaputra originates from which of the following places? A. Tibet. B. Nepal. C. Uttarakhand. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer A. Tibet. 3. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Mahandi. Answer B. Godavari. 4. The Ganga river originates from which glacier? A. Gangotri Glacier. B. Siachen Glacier. C. Yamunotri Glacier. D. Pindari Glacier. Answer A. Gangotri Glacier. 5. The Yamuna river is a tributary of which major river? A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Narmada. D. Godavari. Answer A. Ganga. 6. The confluence of the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi rivers forms which river? A. Brahmaputra. B. Yamuna. C. Ganga. D. Kaveri. Answer C. Ganga. 7. Which of the following rivers does not flow into the Bay of Bengal? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Narmada. D. Mahandi. Answer C. Narmada. 8. Which river is known for forming the largest river island, Majuli? A. Brahmaputra. B. Yamuna. C. Ganga. D. Indus. Answer A. Brahmaputra. 9. The Kaveri river flows through which two major states? A. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. B. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra and Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Answer B. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. 10. Which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Son. C. Gandak. D. Kosi. Answer A. D. Kosi. 11. The Narmada and Tapi rivers flow into which water body? A. Bay of Bengal. B. Arabian Sea. C. Indian Ocean. D. Red Sea. Answer B. Arabian Sea. 12. Which of the following rivers is a tributary of the Indus River? A. Sutlej. B. Ganga. C. Godavari. D. Yamuna. Answer A. Sutlej. 13. Which river originates from Amraknatak Plateau? A. Krishna. B. Narmada. C. Mahandi. D. Godavari. Answer B. Narmada. 14. Which of the following rivers forms the Sundarbans Delta? A. Yamuna and Ganga. B. Godavari and Krishna. C. Brahmaputra and Indus. D. Ganga and Brahmaputra. Answer D. Ganga and Brahmaputra. 15. Which is the largest peninsular river? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Mahandi. D. Kaveri. Answer B. Godavari. 16. Which river is the lifeline of Rajasthan? A. Luni. B. Chambal. C. Sabarmati. D. Narmada. Answer A. Luni. 17. The Krishna river originates from which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Kerala. Answer A. Maharashtra. 18. Which is the largest tributary of the Ganga river? A. Kosi. B. Son. C. Gandak. D. Yamuna. Answer D. Yamuna. 19. The Bhagirathi river meets the Alaknanda at which place? A. Haridwar. B. Devaprayag. C. Rishikesh. D. Gangotri. Answer B. Devaprayag. 20. The Mahandi river mainly flows through which states? A. Odisha and Chhattisgarh. B. Maharashtra and Karnataka. C. Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. D. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Answer A. Odisha and Chhattisgarh. 21. The Tapi river originates from which Indian state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer B. Maharashtra. 22. Which of the following rivers forms the Jag Falls? A. Kaveri. B. Godavari. C. Krishna. D. Sharavati. Answer D. Sharavati. 23. The Chambal river is famous for which of the following? A. Waterfalls. B. Deep gorges. C. Ravines and badlands. D. Deltas. Answer C. Ravines and badlands. 24. Which of the following is the westernmost river of the Indian subcontinent? A. Jhelum. B. Beas. C. Indus. D. Ravi. Answer C. Indus. 25. The Teesta river is a tributary of which river? A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Yamuna. D. Mahandi. Answer B. Brahmaputra. 26. Which river is known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat? A. Tapi. B. Narmada. C. Chambal. D. Son. Comment your answer.